Video, you will learn how to find the area of composite figures. A composite figure is a figure made up of several different shapes that can be split up into smaller shapes to find the area of the whole figure. Let's take a look at our first example. This figure is made up of a triangle and a semicircle, which is half of a circle. In order to find the area of the entire figure, we would need to find the area of each part separately and then finally add them together for the total area. The area of the triangle formula is 1/2 base times height. The base of the triangle is 6 and the height is 10. Half of 6 is 3. 3 times 10 is 30 centimeters squared. The area of the semicircle will be found by finding the area of a full circle and then splitting it in half. The area of the circle is pi times the radius squared. The radius of that circle is 3. Pi times 3 squared is 28.26 centimeters, and then when we cut that in half to be a semicircle, we get 14.13, adding them together for a total area of 44.13 centimeters squared. Another type of problem that we can solve is finding the area of shaded regions. So this is where you have a figure with another figure or part removed from it. You can sometimes find this by adding up all of the shaded parts, splitting them up and adding them together, just like we did the last example. But oftentimes it's easier to find the area of the full shape and then subtract the area of the figure inside. So first, start by finding the area of the full figure, which is a trapezoid. The height of the trapezoid is 12 and the two bases are 18 and 22. That is an area of 240 square meters. Next, we're going to find the area of that white triangle inside. The base of that triangle would be 16. If you take the total distance of 22 and subtract 6, you're left with 16 meters for that base of the triangle. The height again is 12, which gives us a total area of 96 meters squared. And in this case, instead of adding the two, we're going to subtract the triangle from the trapezoid for a remaining piece of 144 meters squared. If you wanted to do this by finding the shaded regions and adding them up, you can. If you notice, this shaded region on the left is actually a trapezoid with a height of 12 and a base of 6 and 10, which is 96 square meters. And then the triangle over here on the right would be a base of 8, height of 12. For 48, if you add those together, you would get 144.